Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to connect your Porkbun domain to Netlify. Just follow these steps so you can link your custom domain and get your website live. First, log into your Netlify account and select the project you want to connect a domain to. Click Set up Custom Domain. Enter the domain you purchased from Porkbun, then click Verify. Next, click Add Domain. Then click Set up Netlify DNS. Click Verify and then click Add Domain again. After that, click Continue. Netlify will show you 4 name servers. Copy all 4 name servers one by one. Now, open Porkbun and log into your account. Find your purchase domain and click on NS right below it. Paste the 4 Netlify name servers into the fields provided, then submit the changes. Once that's done, go back to Netlify and click Done. Your setup is now complete. Click on your website name and you'll see that your site has been updated to your new custom domain. And that's it. Once you follow these steps, you can easily connect your Porkbun domain to Netlify anytime.